I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Said James to Molly, there ain't nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now Nortons and Triumphs and Beezers, they just won't do. They don't have a soul like a Vincent 52. And he reached for her hand and he gave her the keys. He said, I've got no further use for these. And Ariels in leather and chrome, coming down from heaven to carry